Hello again, this is a video for the big people. Today I'm going to sing Five Little Ducks. This is a nursery rhyme that a lot of nursery teachers use resources for, but I am a big believer in using yourself as a resource, and especially during quarantine we don't want to be giving ourselves a hard time for not having certain resources or a printer or something like that. So I can promise you that whether you use like actions, facial expression or gestures, kids are going to just be as entertained. So trust me. I have been very kindly advised that I'm speaking very quickly and in my strong Glasgow accent. So I will try and refrain from doing that. When I'm teaching English, I don't speak in my Glaswegian accent, and so I will try my best. Okay, so here we go. All you need is this and this. Here are your five little ducks. Here is Mommy Duck. That's right, well done. Mommy Duck says quack, 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 quack. Very simple. And your five little ducks here. Okay, so just watch me first and then I will make a separate video to sing it so that you can sing it together. Okay, so five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 and only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 and only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 and only one little duck came back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 and all five ducks came back. Yay! So this is a very important nursery rhyme, not only because kids like it and it's catchy, but also because it introduces a bit of maths. So you've got subtraction in there, and it really encourages empathy in my experience. So when Mummy Duck's like got a sad facial expression, like, oh, one little duck, okay, the kids' faces, they honestly are like, are the five ducks coming back this time? Even though every time they did, but they just get so excited, you know. It's really important to them to hear that Mummy Duck came back and, you know, that she's not sad anymore. So that's a good one. So I hope you like it. I'm now going to sing it again, and hopefully you can sing along with me and do the actions yourself with your little ones or your family members or friends, kids, whoever it may be. What I hope you get from these nursery rhyme videos is an introduction to TPR. TPR is total physical response, and that is using your hands and actions to communicate what you want from the student. But in my case, I've used TPR to introduce countless items of vocabulary. Okay, so even living room, shower, sandwich, cupcake, okay, lollipop, ice cream, even bigger. Sorry to my Portuguese friends that my t-shirt is back to front, by the way. I don't have the energy to rearrange everything so that it's going backwards